Good morning! How is it going? Welcome to a new English lesson. Today we are going to come back to the body systems, but the focus of this day is the voice of the verb. Oh yes, the verb can express in an active voice and also in a passive voice. Let me explain it. The way we speak more frequently is the active voice. In example, the digestive system breaks down food into nutrients. That is the active voice. We have a subject, the digestive system. A verb in the present simple, breaks down. An object, food, and a complement, into nutrients. But what if I want to use the passive voice of the verb? Well, then I have to take the object to the beginning of the sentence and take the subject to the end. Observe the change. Food is broken down into nutrients by the digestive system. Did you notice the changes? The verb changes into the past participle and takes the auxiliary verb be in the present simple because the active voice is in the present simple. And the subject takes the word by before being mentioned. These are the active and passive voices of a declarative sentence. To turn a passive declarative sentence into an interrogative one, you have to do the same as you do in the active voice. Move the verb be to the beginning of the sentence and place a question mark at the end. That's all. Now, focus your attention on how to identify passive voice sentences and make them into questions. Lights, camera, action. What's my homework today? Let's read the instruction. Look for passive voice sentences and make them into questions. Okay. There are two steps to do. First, look for the sentences. Then, make them questions. Well, I need to find past participles preceded by the verb be. Oh, here it is. Are obtained. The sentence is, these nutrients are obtained from food. To make the question, I just have to move the verb to the beginning. It means, are these nutrients obtained from food? The next. Here is chewed, where food is chewed and then is swallowed. If I move the verb be to the beginning, it would say, is where the food is chewed and then is swallowed. It doesn't sound well. There's something I need to change. I must begin with the question word. So I'm going to keep the word where in its place and move the auxiliary be before the subject. It means, where is the food chewed and then swallowed? There is no need to repeat the auxiliary with the second verb. Okay, let's go ahead. Aha! This one is broken. So, the food is broken down more by powerful stomach acids. Once again, I move the auxiliary be to the beginning. Is the food broken down more by powerful stomach acids? Hey, it's been very easy. Piece of cake. Cut. How to do it well. Step 1. I identify the auxiliary verb be plus past participle in the sentence. Step 2. I identify the subject in the sentence. Step 3. I move the auxiliary verb be before the subject. Step 4. I recompose the sentence in the interrogative form by placing the question mark at the end. ¿Cómo hacerlo bien? Paso 1. Identifico el auxiliar be más past participle en la oración. Paso 2. Identifico el sujeto en la oración. Paso 3. Muevo el verbo auxiliar be antes del sujeto. Paso 4. Recompongo la oración en la forma interrogativa poniendo el signo de interrogación al final. It's time for doing your independent practice. In your Come Together Students Book 1, page 130, activities 2 and 3. There, you need to read very carefully the text to find all the answers to 3 questions. Well, just 3 answers to 3 questions. The questions are in activity 3. You read the text and answer the questions. Be very careful. Once you're done with that, go to page 131 and do the activity 6 for the exit ticket. Remember always to follow the steps to do it well. That can guarantee you success. And as always, I hope you the best of this classwork. Are you absolutely ready? I think so and hope so. Bye-bye.